Dear students, today we will learn exercise of lesson 1, page 8 and 9. Open your books. On page 8, the question is given: use of thesaurus. A thesaurus is a book containing synonyms of a word. He has given examples. Bright, its synonyms are sparkling, brilliant, glittering, twinkling. Fight, its synonyms are quarrel, dispute, battle, clash. Hard, its synonyms are firm, swear, tough, still. Crime, its synonyms are offense, sin, misdeed, fault. So this was the first question, use of thesaurus. What is thesaurus? A book containing synonyms. And now he has asked question, what is a thesaurus? So we have learned a book containing synonyms. Have you ever used a thesaurus? You can answer yes or no. If you have used, say yes. If you have not used, say no. Do you have a thesaurus of your own? Again, you can answer yes or no. If you have, say yes. If you don't have, say no. How can you find a word in thesaurus? In thesaurus, words are given alphabetically, in alphabetical order. Whenever you need to find some words synonym, just open the thesaurus and find it in alphabetical orders. Now he has asked few synonyms, so we can see on the screen words and synonyms. Word is deliver. Its synonym are bring, grant, distribute, transport. Guideline, its synonym direction, advice, track. Legitimate, its synonym valid, lawful, authorized. Lawful, its synonyms are legal, allowable, legitimate. Willingly, its synonyms happily, gladly, cheerfully. Custody, its synonym care, protection, supervision. Astray, lost, adrift. Convey, its synonym bring, carry, and conduct. So these are the words given in exercise and their synonyms. Now next question that related to grammar, common noun. What is common noun? So he has defined a common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of a same class or kind. In example, he has quoted woman, dog, bag, office, hospital, etc. He has given a common noun does not require a capital letter. mean its beginning letter is always small letter, not a capital letter, and takes an article before it. A or an is written before common noun. For example, he has given a name. A woman, a dog, a bag, an office. So these are common nouns, and in the beginning we use article an or a. Now, next question is, what is proper noun? A proper noun is the name of some particular person, place or thing. For example, Irfan, Islamabad, Quran, Islam, etc. A proper noun is always written with a capital letter at the beginning and does not usually take an article before it. So here given the examples. Irfan, you can see the first letter is capital. Islamabad, first letter is capital. Quran, first letter is capital. Islam, first letter is capital. So these are proper nouns. And whenever you find the first letter is capital, you can say it is proper noun. Now he has given a homework. Read paragraphs 3 to 5 of the lesson and make a list of common nouns. Read the last paragraphs of the lesson and make a list of proper nouns. So these two questions, they are both are your homework. You just go at home, read these paragraphs and select or make a list of common nouns and proper nouns. Now next question is pronoun. What is pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun or a name to avoid repetition. The personal nouns are I, it, you, he, she, they, we. Pronouns can be used as subject as well as object. For example, Salim and Ajmal are neighbors. They are fast friends. Everybody knows them. So here, they, that is pronoun used as a subject, and them, that is a pronoun used as object. So this was all our today's lesson. Common noun, proper noun, and pronoun. In next clip, next lesson, we will learn page number 9 and 10 and 11. Thank you very much.